Hi, I want to show you how to use the Bumma app to create ads, manage events and analyze the impact of your outreach channels. Let's start by creating a new ad. Choose an image as cover and enter information like event name, description and address. Then you must define which will be the reward for this event and on which locations this event will be held. It's time to define the outreach channels. Add the channels you use to advertise. Enter information to describe a channel, a place, etc. For each channel, Bumma creates a link and a QR code. Use them in digital or non-digital channels like websites, social networks, message apps, flyers, billboards, magazines, TV, and so on. Choose the event dates and define the ways your client can contact you, like phone, email, website, and social networks. The Invite Followers option auto-creates a channel to invite all followers through the app. Once finished, you can review the ad, back to the edit mode, or save it. In this case, let's cancel this ad and see an example of use in detail. The app has 3 tabs, the first one for saved vouchers, the second one for scanning QR codes, and the last one to receive invitations and explore nearby events. When you follow a business, it is in this tab you are informed about new events. Let's take the Black Friday event as an example. Only the owner has access to the full dashboard, which becomes available after finishing creating an ad. In the Channels tab, you'll find all links and QR codes created to your outreach channels. At the Managers tab, it is possible to add new managers to the event, but with limited access to the vouchers validation. And at the List tab, you can manage the vouchers of the event. Details about the outreach channels are available in the center of the dashboard. The Direct channel is the auto-created channel to register followers' invitations. The dashboard is updated in real time when a channel is accessed, a voucher is saved or used. When a client opens an invitation, a link or scans a QR code, the ad shows up, and it's possible to save the voucher for use at the event. Once saved, the voucher is available in the client's Home tab, with all information about the event, a QR code to verify the voucher, and an option to share the voucher. You can configure the share option during the ad creation. Every client is entitled to 1 voucher per event. If the client scans another channel to the same event, the access to the channel is registered, but the client is unable to add it again. When a client saves a voucher, it becomes a follower. The follower options are available in the Invites tab. When the option is activated, the invitations of that business will appear to the client. Let's see how works the voucher validation. Users are unable to validate client vouchers if they are not managers or owners of the event. If they do, every validation attempt will fail. To become a manager, the user needs to scan the management QR code and confirm the request. The management request appears to the event owner and remains pending until approval. When the request is approved, the vouchers list of the event becomes available, and from that moment the user can make validations manually or by scanning the customer's voucher. After the voucher is verified, the code becomes unavailable. Any new attempts to reuse the same code will fail. Details about the validation process are updated in the events list, with the validation date, type, and the manager's name. This way, we conclude the validation process. In the main menu, you can review your closed events or used vouchers. Let's take as an example the Bumma Beta Burger event, which was the first public event for testing the Bumma app, held in February 2019. Switching between the channels, it is possible to see the outreach channel impact on the event. The totals are at the upper right corner of the dashboard. In a detailed report, it's available with the impacts of the channels on each phase of the process. The numbers in the direct column shows the client's interaction with the outreach channel, and the indirect column numbers are related to sharing between clients. Created for businesses that have interaction with clients out of the internet, Bumma collects information to support your marketing strategy and further leverage your business, rewarding clients for their engagement. Bumma, sharing rewards.